and come to science fairs and going, who's your teacher?
I wonder who my teacher is.
Yeah. What Mr. Miyagi said.
Okay, so I pressed start and then I go, that wasn't great.
Okay. Ready? 8 seconds. Who's timing it?
I will.
All right. Can I do it, Wendy?
Oh.
I'm not Wendy.
Do you want me to start?
I called her Wendy once, and so it's always stuck.
Tell me when to start it.
I had a Wendy that
Yeah.
reminded me a lot of an 8th grader.
I like
For how many seconds?
8.
You're calling me an 8th grader?
Her favorite group
So
was
do I
Chevelle.
I tell you
That's
when I
all I
get
heard
there.
about
Yeah.
was Chevelle. So.
Do I talk about Chevelle?
No, you don't.
Sorry,
Okay.
ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't even know that.
Oh, I have to hold it. I don't know if I want to go fast or slow.
Sure she doesn't cheat.
Just go, man.
Ready, go, 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 go! It's at like 16, go! No, it's at like 17, it's at 16, it's at 15, I'm going down, it's at 14, 13, 13, go, oh my gosh, okay. Emma's at like 18. Are we done?
Oh, we did it.
I don't know, I think we need to do it again because you dropped below.
Dude,
She
it
was
like,
well
it
over
didn't
for
stay
a
there.
long
I was
time.
like 18.
Look how red her face is.
My patience is red.
I know, because you created that means that is intellect low.